Okay, lights working. My headlight's working. You gotta be careful through here. It is slick. Hey, looks like they cleared it a little bit too. This is what the tunnel looks like. There's the entrance. So, let me readjust my headlamp a little bit here so I can see exactly where the hell I'm going. It is slick. Water has been leaking down through here. So you got to be very careful. Oh. Old trail nut's not as good on its feet as it used to be. So, we're now inside the tunnel. And like I said, the entrance is right up here. It's one thing that really takes me off. These kids spray painting graffiti everywhere. The top of the tunnel is brick, and the sides are concrete. That's it. Now, nobody really knows when this part of the tunnel was erected because apparently there was a rock slide. That's the reason we had to climb down from them rocks. So, and you see how far I've come now. That there is water. That's not a sidewalk, which it was. I guess this tunnel here was a little bit too decayed to turn it into a rails to trails. Of course, it would have been awesome if they could. So, see, all the graffiti and everything else. It's just ridiculous. It's heartbreaking. It really is. You know, have a piece of history just vandalized. But I'm going to my phone's blinking, so apparently I have no service. So I'll catch you on the other side when we get to the trestle. The old trail nut. Peace.